Good morning everyone. Ito, first try natin na gamitin itong ating Pocket 3 and it's very cold today. I think it's 11 degree. So since that we are living in the new territory, so magma-minus tayo ng 2. So we're 9 degree at the moment. And yan, pag nakikita nyo yung background ko, papansin nyo yan, ang ganda, parang ano, guess nyo kung nasan ako today. O, diba? Phew! Hi! I really miss my place, actually. So, yeah. This time, mag-ano tayo. Magbubulak-bol tayo. Yan. So, papakita ko yung aking background. There we go. Yun. Pag napapansin nyo. Yan. Itatry natin dito ng daytime. Tapos, kasi gagamitin namin ito. We're going away outside the country home I am right now. Kaya, mapapasabak itong aking best friend. Laila. Can I call you Laila? Diba? Ayan. So, doon ako galing. See? Parang napagod ako doon Now, bakit nababaw siya? Yan. Sini-check ko yung brightness niya. Actually, hindi pa to fully set. Kaya, try lang natin. Okay. So, there. Yun na yung bus ko. Hindi niya ako nahintay. So, it's fine. Alright. See you later.